माइक ऑन कर दिया. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, grade 3. Today we are discussing our unit 1, changing world. We were discussing our class at past and the present. But today I am start the reading with the unit 1, and then we will discuss. Okay. Today world is completely different from the world of past. The lifestyle, food, education, etc. The people have completely changed. All of you know that life is totally changed nowadays from past. Man used to live in caves. He lit fire with the friction of stones and hunted animals for food. He used stones and tree trunks to make the weapons and tools. He covered his body with the animal skin. So all of you know that life is changed, and now the system and life is completely changed from the past. ना पहले ऐसा होता था कि ना मोबाइल होते थे, ना आपके पास कोई इंटरनेट की फैसिलिटीज़ थी. लेकिन अभी हम देखें तो लास्ट 20 years में हमने वी हैव सो डेवलप्ड. So, the world today is very different from the world in the past. Many things have changed, such as the lifestyle, food, communication, education, and the transportation also. Long ago, early human lives in a very simple life. They used to live in a caves and the forest. They all live in the caves and the forest. There are no homes, no houses, no bungalows, no apartment. So they live in the caves and the forest. They used to live in caves and forest. Okay, they made fire by rubbing the stone together. They hunted animals for the food and used stones and the tree trunks to make the tools. They also wore the animal skin to cover their body. They have no clothes. Even they have no idea of to making the cloth, so they hide their body with the skin of animal. As the time passed, women started to become the more civilized. After some time, they are getting more civilized, and then get education, then start development. They begin to make the tools for metal instead of stones. People also learned farming and raising the cattle. Because of this, the small villages were formed, and the later these villages develop into town and then cities. First they make the small villages, then the villages develop into the towns and cities. And now we are seeing that modern cities, and we are also live in a very modern city. Lahore is also very modern city. Lot of schools, lot of colleges, lot of transportation is surrounding us. We have enjoy so many facilities in our city. Another big change happened in trade and money. In early, people have used a barter system. You know what is the barter system? Barter system is that to exchange of goods with each other. In early times, people do not have currency for buying things because currency was not invented at that time. The people have no money to buying anything. People exchange the different goods with each other for their necessities. If they, someone need anything, just like someone need a uh, wheat, and they also someone need a onion, or someone need any vegetable, so they exchange their goods. This is a barter system. Exchange of good is the barter system without the currency, without use of currency. For example, if someone had wheat and needed onions, he would look around for someone who needed wheat and also had onions. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड, आपके पास जो चीज़ है वो आप चीज़ दूसरे को दे के उससे आप अपनी ज़रूरत की चीज़ ले लें without the use of money. This is a barter system. It is a system of trade. Before the invention of the currency, people use the barter system for their trading or for their needs. So in early time, people have no money. They used a system called barter system. In this system, people exchange good for other goods. For example, मैंने आपको बताया example I told you earlier that someone has something, and another one has another thing, so they exchange their goods. Later, people invented coins made of gold, silver, and copper. After some time, or after the barter system, people invent coins of the gold, copper, and the silver and silver. So then they use the coins for the trading or for buying the things. After that, paper money was introduced. After coins, the paper money was introduced, and people use coins and paper money also for their necessaries or to buying their necessaries. Today, we even use the plastic card and digital banking to buy the things. All of you know that the ATM card and the credit card are nowadays we are use the ATM card and credit card and avoid to keep the paper money in bags or purse. We are using the cards in all shopping malls, in all marts. We are using just swipe the card and pay the money. So this is a modern system. Plastic card is a modern system. Education is also changed a lot. In early times, school was school was simple, and student often walked or rode a bicycle to school. There was no school van or buses. Today, school use the modern classroom technology and transportation systems. So in early time, people food was very simple. There were not many restaurants. Desi chicken was eaten instead of farm chicken. Rather than have packaged milk and yogurt, people prefer to buy fresh milk and yogurt from the local shop. For early education, children would walk or cycle to nearby school. There were no van system available. In past, the no van system was available. People used to walk to go to school. Okay, transportation has improved gently as well. In the past, people travel on foot, animals, or simple cars. Now we have the car, buses, train, and aeroplanes, which make the travel much faster and easier. And all of you know that now we are using the mobiles, and now we are using the cars and electric cars, and everything is very developed in surrounding us. But before the years of before let ago many years ago, no one enjoyed this type of facilities, even no concept of this type of facilities. Today we use the mobile phones, internet, and social media to communicate instantly. We can use this. The human life has improved step by step over time. Technology, education, and the invention had made our life more comfortable, more easy, and more advanced. So, in the world is constantly changing from cave to modern cities, from stones to technology. Humans have the made great progress. Understanding the past help us appreciate the present and prepare for the future. So we change day by day, and daily and changes is happening day by day. So I think we were discussed in our class, and tomorrow I will send you more lecture regarding the cities and the villages. Sorry, about the changing world. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.